What's good, everybody? Just sitting in my car on my lunch break, just thinking about the news that I just heard on the radio. Actually, all week, there's been good news on the coronavirus. Yeah, while cases, are going up rapidly, and we're going to have to be having different restrictions and shutdowns, it could be soon getting under control with these new vaccines that are coming out. Pfizer has a vaccine. They're just about close to having FDA emergency authorization to use it pretty soon. We got Moderna saying that their vaccine in their late clinical trials have been doing really good, like close to 95% effective. And then we just heard on the radio that AstraZeneca has a vaccine that's more helpful for older adults because a lot of times when they take vaccines, it's not as effective on them because their immune systems. But AstraZeneca has their vaccine, looks like it's going to be pretty effective for them. So we can have all age groups pretty much covered. The thing is, just to mass produce them, get all the logistics together, get everything shipped out and across the country, it's not going to just be happening instantly. It's not going to be just like a month or two thing. It'd be like, takes probably 6 months to get, say, half of the US population vaccinated. After that, man, we can see the cases probably dropping way down to more like here in Illinois. Right now, we're seeing 15,000 new cases a day. Hopefully, 3 months, 4 months from now, that number will be back down to like the 2,000 person mark that it was just a few weeks ago. So, just want to share this good news. It's going to be great for the stock market. Investors love to see when we have breakthroughs going on, and they don't like when it's like uncertain, when we saying, okay, we just have no idea when a vaccine is going to come. But now that we kind of know, they're putting their money back into the market. Stocks are going up. It's a good time to be getting in. Get your money invested.